Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create custom website in Apache server using AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in EC2 dashboard. Here we have an instance named test server. If I click on test server and copy its public IP address, open up in new tab by pasting. Here you can see we have test page for our Apache server. Now we want to create our custom website. For this we come back to our EC2 dashboard and click on connect. By using EC2 instance connect, click on connect. After connecting with this instance, type sudo su for login with our root credentials. Here we need to reach our HTML directory. For this type cd space /var/www/html and hit enter. Here we have index.html file. To open this file, type nano space index.html and hit enter. Here you can write whatever you want to display on your test website. I am just typing here, hello OneMinuteLab. We are running our test website. After making these changes, save all these changes. To save these changes, type Ctrl O, hit enter, and then Ctrl X to exit from here. Now click on tab where we have our Apache server test page. Just refresh this page. See, our custom changes are displaying here. Hello OneMinuteLab, we are running our test website. Hopefully you like this video. See you in next video.